Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here, welcome back to TRHD. First of all, good morning everybody, how's your Sunday going? Today's video is going to be lit because I have something really special to show you all. These are the most awaited truly wireless earbuds from Xiaomi, the Mi Airdots. Xiaomi has released these TWS earbuds at a very affordable price tag of only $30, which is around 2000 rupees. And I'm really curious to see what they offer for that price tag. So let's check out the box packing. The Airdots come in this sort of box. You've got a picture of the product on the front. Looks like everything is written in Chinese. That's because they're available only in China for now. You've got the features over here. It comes with a special charging case, has unique touch controls, supports Bluetooth 5.0 and have a truly wireless design. So those were some of its features. As you can see, there's a Mi seal at the backside, indicating it's a genuine Xiaomi product. And beside that, we've got some specs of these earbuds. Each of these earbuds have a 40 mAh battery and the charging case comes with a 300 mAh built-in battery. So those were some of its features. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this tape here. Alright, let's open the box and check out the product. So the Airdots come packed on this tray. There's nothing else in the box. Let me just take them out and show you how they look like. So here they are, Xiaomi Airdots truly wireless earbuds. Holy smokes, they're so small! And also feel very light in the hand. We'll just come back to them again. First, let me also remove this charging case and show you. So the charging case also comes in white color and feels super lightweight. Along with that, you get a USB cable for charging, 2 pair of extra ear tips in small and large sizes, assuming the medium ones come with the Airdots, and a user manual, but it's entirely in Chinese, so not of any big use to us. So those are all the items we got in the package. Now let's finally check out the Airdots. So this is how they look like. The Xiaomi's Airdots come in white color and the design looks very similar to the Xiaomi's mini earbud which I've reviewed a few days ago. It's made of high quality plastic and has a two-tone design. The bottom part has a solid white while the remaining top part has a translucent matte finishing, and they definitely look attractive. So this is how the Airdots look from the top angle. The special thing about them is the Airdots have a touch sensitive area at the top and all the functions can be easily controlled using touch gestures. And at the bottom side you've got the charging contacts. The quality of the ear tips is also nice, they feel soft and durable. Talking about the weight, they're super lightweight, weigh only around 4.2 grams. And here's the charging case for the earbuds. You've got the Mi logo at the top. I don't know if you guys can see it because it's very lightly visible. The charging case also feels very lightweight and at the bottom side you got all the details of this product. There's a micro USB port here for charging the case. Even the case has the same two-tone design with the top panel being translucent. The build quality is really nice, it's entirely made of plastic. Now let me just put these Airdots in the case and show you. They attach automatically with the help of magnets and as soon as you place them, the Airdots start charging. You can see a red color LED glowing on them. So that was our overview on the design and the build quality. Now let me show you how to power them on and also the pairing process. The Airdots are smart Bluetooth 5.0 earbuds that automatically power on as soon as you take them out and get ready to be paired with any device. So whenever you take them out, they get connected with each other and a white LED light keeps blinking on the right earbud. That means they're powered on and ready to be paired. Now what you need to do is take your phone, go to the settings and turn on Bluetooth. Now wait for a minute and search for Mi Airdots in the list. Just click on them and that's it, you've successfully paired with the Airdots. Now this is only a one-time process guys, the next time whenever you take them out of the charging case, they automatically connect to your phone. I really love how simple Xiaomi has made the pairing process. Now let's put them to a test and talk about the comfort and the audio quality. The Mi Airdots are very small and feel really comfortable for long time usage. They're so lightweight you won't even feel like there's something in your ears. They definitely justify the name. The noise isolation was also good. Talking about the audio quality was really good. The 7.2mm dynamic drivers were doing a great job. The mids felt crisp and clear and the vocals were also warm and mellow. The high frequency response was very nice, it was producing silky smooth treble. And coming to the bass was also good and punchy. The audio output was also loud and the distortion was also very less even at max volume. On the overall, for the price what you're paying, they were definitely giving satisfying results. The Airdots also have a microphone on them and can take calls in stereo. The mic quality was good during call conversations. Now let me show you all the unique touch functions on the Airdots. You can just touch the top area on any of the earbuds to pause the music, just like this. It's a really convenient way. The same function applies for answering calls, and double touching the earbuds will activate Google Assistant. Pretty awesome, right? Coming to the battery life, each of these earbuds have a 40 mAh battery, and on an average I was getting around 3.5 to 4 hours of continuous battery life. But the charging case has a built-in 300 mAh battery and can charge your earbuds fully up to 3 times. That means you get a total playtime of around 12 hours on a single charge, and charging the case from 0 to 100 took about 2 hours. So that was my review on the Xiaomi Airdots truly wireless earbuds. They're really good earbuds for the price. The design looks nice, the build quality is good, the audio quality is great, and I also love the touch controls. The only thing I felt was the company should have made them sweat proof. They're not sweat resistant and are not recommended for gym purpose. Rest everything else was great. These earphones are priced for $30, which is around 2000 rupees. You can get it from eBay or even Chinese sites like Banggood. I'll leave all the links in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you all liked it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.